Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Yangi and someone lotus today. And Tiringi ni dong chunji on the other Chamundi Hill today. And my sort of hakuina in such a point. And taking to go. So here we are on the top of hill, and as you can see there are a lot of small shop and you can get all the kids toy, and also there are a lot of home decor stuff which are made of wood, and yeah, and also some bangles and necklaces and earring stuff. So there are a lot of good things, and also a huge collection of sunglasses. So yeah, and now I'm in search of some food court, like fast food. So let's get there. So here we are at food section, and you will get some fast food like pakoras and chili pakoras, banana pakora, a lot of pakoras, and also you'll get some steamed corn which looks good. And what's this? So that's it for this video, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this and also enjoyed the view as much as I did. And see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, take care and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed, I want to say thank you so much for all the support. And yeah, see you soon guys.